Welcome back. Thank you for taking the time to view our tutorial on the composition of water-based printing ink. In the tutorial, we will cover the three basic components of any water-based printing ink: the vehicle, the colorant, and additives. As stated, the vehicle, also known as the extender or even letdown, acts as a carrier for colorant to bind the colorant to the substrate and contribute functional properties required by the finished print. The fundamental goal when engineering an ink is that the vehicle retains water solubility while being printed, but becomes water insoluble after printing and drying. In essence, we start with a liquid and end with a solid, the solid being the printed portion of the substrate. When engineering an ink for a specific job, there are many factors that we take into consideration when choosing the precise combination of polymers to accomplish calculated drying, end product properties, and excellent runnability on press. Here we've listed factors that must be taken into consideration when engineering an ink for a specific customer and application. There are numerous types of pigments. Some are available naturally. However, the majority of pigments used in the printing process are synthetic in nature. Pigments are chosen based on many factors including cost, color, light fastness, and chemical resistance. The list goes on. When choosing a pigment for a specific application, we may choose between an organic pigment and an inorganic pigment. As the name suggests, organic pigments are derived from materials found naturally in our environment based on carbon chemistry, versus that of inorganic pigments, which are derived from mineral or ore and use chemical formulations to achieve desired product properties for various applications. It's often necessary to enhance certain characteristics in ink to achieve the necessary performance required of the ink with the use of additives. The characteristics of these additives vary and pertain to the systems that they are being used in. We hope you enjoyed our tutorial on the composition of water-based printing ink. Stay tuned for additional material that Quantum Ink will be presenting in the upcoming weeks. Thanks again.